5 days in Dubai. Wow! The sun's always shining in Dubai, ensuring endless fun on every holiday. Lounge on the beach, dine at celebrated restaurants, explore Dubai's amazing shopping, and immerse yourself in the city's cultural delights. Plus, you'll stay in one of Dubai's favorite hotels, Avari Hotel Dubai, Dusty D2 Ken's Hotel, or Trip on Hotel and Suites. 3 great hotels in this unforgettable destination. Avari Hotel Dubai. This 4-star deluxe hotel is situated in the heart of Dubai, adjacent to great shopping, restaurants, and all major landmarks. It features spacious and modern accommodations, hotel restaurant and lounge, plus pristine rooftop pool. Avari Hotel Dubai is a destination beyond comparison. Dusty D2 Ken's Hotel, located in the upscale Barsha Heights and offering contemporary design with cutting-edge chic guest rooms. Indulge in on-site restaurants and bars and relax in the Revive Spa or by the stunning rooftop pool. The Dusty D2 Ken's Hotel is top-rated by couples. Trapan Hotel and Suites, situated in the most progressive area of Dubai's sports city and featuring 304 spacious suites appointed with modern and luxurious detail. Experience a variety of on-site cuisines, breathtaking rooftop pool and terrace, and all the best Dubai has to offer. Yes! 5 days in Dubai, valued at nearly $1,000. With an unparalleled coastline, beautiful desert, and magnificent cityscapes, Dubai is waiting for you. Do not wait. Book your Dubai holiday now.